aba batandikira famu yo kwegeraho ya Busesa Community Demonstration Farm erukurirwa Dr. Richard Rubega mu district ya Kibale. Jennifer Rongori ordisi wa district ya Moroto nagira ngu okwego oku kwabo mutano kandi yahamye ko abantu bakaramoja bayege bintu nyamwingi bari kuzakora okwetungura.
We have actually seen how the rabbits are kept, how the goats are kept, how we actually utilize the cow dung to do the diversification, and two, we have also seen the way the poultry is actually kept.
Champions of violence to become champions of peace, and they transform the little knowledge they have here into economic viable activities.
Godfrey Rokwanga nagira ngu baresera abantu kurwo mu kika cya Karacuna okwenda kubegesa okuba kubasakore sitakarike baketungura. Nagira ngu ekini kiza kubahweraho kukiriza enkora ya PDM.
The intention is to find what is viable here, the practices, how you can produce a lot in a smaller space, and yet for us we have too much space there. And then later on we go and replicate. We are happy, we are seeing a lot of development initiative at a personal or group level that we think these groups are going to replicate.
Tukwenda kuoleka anti abantu 4-acre model. Obuturani tuenda kutambura kurungi mu 4-acre model. Nitwetaga abantu bafune exposure. Omuntu orabo oliyo kuija hafo amuhano. We have free exposure. Kubanga ati abana like on ebirabiri na munana. We have a tour and learn program. Hati kireke tukuja kuegesa abantu nkoko basibike nkoko kafuna mu amagoba maingi nkoko kusibike embuze empunu ente ebitoke ne hasova kedo ne mwanyi tugeze okuboleka anti ebyenyanja ne buli project yona hati enterprise selection abantu nikyo kiasinge kubaterebaniza.
Dr. Richard Rubega executive director wa Busesa Community Development Organization kandi rukwebembera Busesa Demonstration Farm nagira ngo abakaramoja babashomese bintu byingi ko kuri senkoko empunu ente nebindi kandi ngo iki nikikirize nkora ya 4-acre model president arukwenda
omukare charundo mbuhangwa bwabo bamanyire nti omuntu bwaba omuntu kuba mugaiga oyina kuba neitaka eringi niko sobole kutambura nente zawe hona batikiro kinu tuba challengingire rundi tubolekeze nti no sobora kusibika ente omukichweka kim na darazini za mata okakwata zikali ebinyanse ebyo no zitemere ebinyanse actually abandi basemereiro muno kubanga ati batwaire ebinyanse bitweta suganapia.
Busesa Demonstration Farm eriyemo farms zatongozibwa kuba myanya yo kwegeraho mu district ya Kibale na Bunyoro. Abakaramoja aba barijuro mu district nka Kotido, Moroto, na Biratu, Kabong na Kapiripiriti ya Mudat, Abim, Karenga hamwe na Napak. Gashaka Thomas tumwebaze.